For many people, renter's insurance doesn't seem as important as making rent or paying off utilities. In fact, according to a poll by the Insurance Information Institute, only 37% of renters get a policy. Compare that number to the 95% of homeowners who have a policy. Most people assume their landlord's insurance covers them for everything, but that's not true. A fact that often becomes all too clear when calamity strikes. Fortunately, renter's insurance in North Carolina doesn't cost as much as neighboring states. In this video, we'll go over the things you most need to know about renter's insurance. Personal belongings. Renter's insurance, also known as tenant's insurance, is applicable to you if you're staying in a rental property. It protects you and your personal belongings against certain risks such as fire, water leakage, theft, and vandalism. It also protects you from additional living expenditures when the rental property becomes temporarily uninhabitable. Tenant's insurance also helps minimize the financial impact of situations like injuries and break-ins in your rental home. To put it another way, the landlord's insurance coverage protects the building's structure, not the actual property inside it. It's your responsibility, not theirs, to protect the contents of your home, even if you're renting it from them. What does it cover? Renter's insurance serves as protection for you and your belongings in case of an unforeseen incident in your rental home. Items covered can include the cost of repair and replacement of damaged belongings due to fire, water leakage, tornadoes, theft, or vandalism. It does not normally cover expenses, however, when the damage is due to floods, earthquakes, and pests. Your renter's insurance can help cover a variety of costs, as long as they are within the coverage limit. The coverage typically includes personal property, liability, and additional living expenses. Your renter's insurance shoulders a variety of costs as long as they are within the coverage limit. Personal property. Separately, your belongings may not seem like they cost a lot. Together, however, they could add up quickly and overwhelm you if you tried to replace them all. Fortunately, the personal property coverage of your renter's insurance enables you to replace them without the heavy costs. Personal property coverage includes the cost of repairing or replacing personal belongings affected by unforeseen incidents such as fire, tornadoes, and water leakage. It also covers theft and vandalism. It encompasses almost everything in your rental home, from the furniture to your clothes. Like other types of insurance, it does have coverage limits, meaning it can't pay for all your damaged or lost belongings. Miscellaneous possessions such as jewelry and hobby collections, for example, may need additional coverage. Liability. Fire, tornadoes, water leakage, theft, and vandalism are not the only unexpected things that may occur in your rental home. You may also encounter accidents that result in personal injury or damage to property. In some cases, you might be legally responsible for medical bills or repair costs. The liability coverage of your renter's insurance will help you pay for such expenses. Liability coverage helps cover the repair costs when you accidentally damage another person's property. It also shoulders the medical bills of a guest whose injuries were sustained in your rental property due to your actions or negligence. Additional living expenses. Certain unforeseen incidents, fire or water leak damage, for example, could make your rental home uninhabitable. In such cases, you'd need a temporary place to stay. And you might also have to spend more on food than you normally would. Your renter's insurance may include additional living expenses coverage to shoulder these expenditures. These may include hotel bills or food expenses or restaurant meals, storage fees, and other relevant extra costs. At Amistad Insurance, our renter's insurance is available across North Carolina. We have agents in Raleigh, Charlotte, and Durham to address all your concerns and to find a renter's insurance policy that matches your budget. Feel free to give us a call anytime. Our phone line is open 24 hours a day. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.